Okay, so we finally up and running, got everything together. So this tripod right here would be for the camera that I'm using. We have another camera right here, which is the Nikon D33. We have a forward lighting system. It's supposed to be a 5 lighting system, but because the fluorescent lights are so bright, we decided to go with a 4 lighting. We decided to go with a 4 lighting system. Our audio is coming from the Tascam. And again, we have this setup right here, which we can easily move this table and then have individuals stand up at the green screen. So we're ready to rock and roll. Got a little computer, hook up OBS, hook up a webcam. Going to get another boom mic, but we have it together. So let's go ahead and see if we can shoot some video and how it comes out. The next step would be getting the room soundproof, getting some paneling on the wall to soundproof it. But we're so excited. We got everything set up right now, so we're ready to rock and roll. Welcome to our YouTube community studio. This studio was created with the community in mind. We've put forward a lot of effort to getting this studio up and running. Our intentions are to teach the young and older alike basic videography skills such as filming, editing, also creating a space for our local businesses to make professional, high-quality commercials where they can use on social media. This studio would allow local artists to come in and take advantage of our green screen and our excellent lighting system. It is our plan to create space for the community to gather and learn. Not only will they learn skills that can be used in everyday life, they can then turn around and monetize those skills, getting paid for editing, filming, and photography. Our studio will have classes that will teach the formation of YouTube channels, the importance of SEO and the descriptions of your videos, how to create thumbnails and YouTube art. We will focus on creation and storytelling. We are most excited to document and preserve our local culture. Thank you guys for all of your support and effort to get this YouTube community studio up and running. Until next time, it's your boy taking the bathroom. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.